Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In today's video, we'll do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the OnePlus Nord 2 versus the Realme GT device. The OnePlus Nord 2 which has got the Dimensity 1200 chipset, and whereas the Realme GT which has got the Snapdragon 888 chipset. Let's see which phone will be performing really good in terms of the speed test and in terms of the RAM management as well. That is what my main motive of making this video. And during this demonstration, I'll try to use 10 games in both phones, so which are completely offline games only and very small games, not very big games. Let's see friends which phone can actually open them faster and which phone can store them in the background RAM management. So that is what I'll try to concentrate in this video. So this is going to be very interesting friends, and this is my first time doing side-by-side comparison between both phones in terms of the speed test. So even I am really excited to see which phone will be performing in what kind of a manner in terms of the speed test results. So first phone to reboot is the Realme GT device obviously, and let me need to quickly start the OnePlus Nord 2. And these are the 10 games which I'm trying to open at this point. As you can see here, these 10 games. So background everything is completely clean at this point, as you can see friends. And here are the 10 games which are already in the OnePlus Nord 2 as well, and everything from the background also cleared in the OnePlus Nord 2. And during this process I'm not trying to use any kind of game enhancement boosters. Let's see how much difference can it be there in terms of the speed test. So first game is a Subway Surf game. The Snapdragon 888 processor, as you can see friends, exactly did open slightly faster. The Snapdragon 888 processor, not bad. And next game is a Candy Crush. So this is my first time doing the test, so next time I'll try to include the big games, Battlegrounds Mobile, Call of Duty game, and Asphalt 9, and plenty of other big games. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos. And in case if you are enjoying this kind of content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to follow the playlist of each smartphone. And in case if you like this kind of speed test, there's a special playlist which are created for the process speed test only. There you can find so many videos. Everything I did upload only for you all. So make sure to stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. And next is a Smash It game. And let's see this game which phone can actually open. Not bad. Both phones did perform really good. Great job. And next let me go to the home page and the Grassy Roads. Nord 2 versus Realme GT. So Snapdragon 888 processor, slightly open faster, not bad. And Traffic Radar. Let's see this game. Realme GT did open this game faster, no issues. And next is Hill Climb Racing. So Hill Climb Racing was faster in the Realme GT. So most of the games were faster in the Realme GT. Yes, when compared with the OnePlus Nord 2, most of the games. And next is Angry Birds 2. So let's see the Angry Birds 2 which came. As you can see, the Realme GT did open faster, not bad. The Angry Birds 2 did open, and this requires internet connection, so that's the reason I'm trying to quit. And next is a final game which is a Stake Ball. Let's see this game. Stake Ball, yes, Realme GT little bit. So finally friends, the 10 games are completely open in both phones, as you can see, starting from Subway Surf to Stake Balls. Now let me try to start opening from the background, I mean from the backside games. How many games can be stored in the background RAM management. And next is the Traffic Rider, not bad. So 5 games are completely fine in both phones. This is where the real problem comes. So 5 games, it should not be a problem in the OnePlus Nord 2 or the GT model, but when you're trying to open the 6th game, the OnePlus Nord 2 will struggle, and even the GT also will struggle. Let me try to show you the live proof what is happening. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, the clear proof what is happening between both phones. So let me open the 6th game, which is the Temple Run. Same thing, same results, as you can see friends, exactly same. 7th game and 8th game as well. Let me go to the 8th game. As you can see, Candy Crush and Subway Surf. So in terms of the speed test, the Realme GT was the winner. In terms of the RAM management, both phones are completely equal. Yes, both phones did store only 5 games, not even any extra game as well during the process of demonstration. So next time I'll try to include the applications. So maybe 15 applications, something like this. Then we'll be able to understand what is happening between the both phones in terms of RAM management. So make sure to stay tuned for this video, friends. In case if you're interested in this kind of content, don't forget to hit that subscribe and let me know in the comment section below what are other comparisons you want me to do between these both phones. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.